Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Elena and I am bringing you all sorts of Halloween videos in October. So be sure to subscribe and watch my spooky playlist. I am showing you this wolf creepy crazy look today, but super simple and super easy for you guys to do at home. So let's go ahead and jump in. Starting off this makeup look, we are pulling the hair out of the face. First step is going to be primer because we want to make sure that that makeup stays all night, all day. Going in with some primer from Pureless, making sure we're covering up the pores. Next step is going to be just your base, whatever color you want to do. I'm not going to do any crazy thing like foundation, concealer, all of that fun stuff. We are just going in with one thing, which is a foundation. This one is the Cosmetic CC Plus cream. It's like different packaging. It's their old packaging. It's amazing though. Definitely a good base. Not too light, but definitely not too full coverage. It's just going to cover any veins, any imperfections that we have, any discoloration. Now I am just blending it out with a beauty sponge just to get any brush marks blended in. Going in with some Laura Mercier Air translucent powder. This is great for just like matting up the skin, making it just like stay put. It will also make where your foundation doesn't rub off when you put your costume on. So for this look, we are not blocking out our eyebrows today, but some other looks I have. If you want to know how I've done them in those, I will link them up here. So this look is more of like a natural look, more of like just a little party look, or just a look you want to do at home and take pictures in it. So all we're going to be doing is like doing basically what you do every day, your everyday makeup. But we're gonna add a little more of dimension with the contour, and then we're gonna add some cute little slashes in the neck. You can add some brow gel. I'm not, just because that one stays pretty good for me, but if you want to, definitely go ahead and slap it on right about now. Now, this palette is really great for the look that we're doing, but if you have any drugstore palettes, those would work as well. If you find any just cool tone bronzers or really dark bronzers, that would work great. So first off, I'm just gonna take this top shade and go in with a more of a big fluffy brush for just like the base of those colors. And just put it where you normally would. Just deepen it up a little more than you're comfortable with. Dab it on the ears, make everything match, and of course the forehead. Definitely looking dark. Yay. So after we are just very bronzed, very contoured, looking sharp and dark, we are going to take a little darker shade or warmer shade, whichever one this is, and taking more of a smaller contour brush is just contour the heck out of the bottom of my nose. There we go. And then we're just gonna contour the heck out of the sides. Just like that. All I'm doing is just swiping it on there. And then you can take whatever's on the brush and just swipe it up to the inner of your brow. And then go ahead and just add it to the chin and your cheekbones. Going under that bottom lip. And just on that top. Then this is gonna save what we've done. So we're gonna take a beauty sponge and then take this banana shade in this palette. Or you can take like any light color powder. Just go under the nose right here. Carve it out a little bit. And on the tip and bring it out. And then you can just blend it out with a brush or your finger like I am. And then you can do the sides of your nose as well. And under your eye just to brighten it up a little bit. We're going to take a little bit more and just kind of cut the contour on the bottom. And then just take a little bit of powder and blend out the inner portions right around here, around the outer portions of your mouth. Now what I'm going to do is just take some more of that bronzer and kind of just start doing my neck because I really want it to match. Now for the eyes, I am just going to do something pretty nude, pretty neutral. So I'm going in with the Tarte Pro eye palette and going in with Classic, which is just like a very cream color, and just go all over my eyeballs with that. And then I'm just gonna take like more of a neutral brown and just pop that in like my outer eye and just blend it into the crease. So I just added some little light Classic cream color into the lid portion. And now I'm just gonna take a liner and we're just gonna make it look a little more foxy. So all we're gonna do is just line my eye. And then we're just gonna make it pointy on the inner corner. Now we're getting more of like a wolf eye, and on the outside we're just gonna do a tiny, tiny wing. Nothing crazy, just super thin. Now it looks very woofy and crazy. So for our lips, I was thinking of doing something dark because wolves have like dark lips, but I'm just gonna take this Laura Mercier liner. It's just the shade Naked. It's very nude, just the color of my lips. And just gonna line, but not too precise. And then I'm just gonna buff it out with my finger. Then I'm taking this Huda Beauty liquid lipstick, and it is in the shade Flirt. And then we're gonna let it dry because it does dry matte. We're not gonna have a glossy lip because lips don't have glossy lips. And now I'm going to make a cut. So I just looked it up on TikTok if you guys are wondering how I'm going to do it. I am just going to mix some flour and water and just roll it up in there, stick it on my neck, and then I'm going to mix some foundation with it so it looks like the color of my skin, and then put some fake blood in there, and you'll see. You'll see how it turns out. I didn't record this because it kind of like flopped on me, so I had to come up with my own invention. I used Vaseline, and then I mixed it with powder and my foundation shade and just dabbed it on there. Put a little bit of liquid liner in the little dash that I made with it, and then added some fake blood, and we have like our wolf scratch kind of thing, a wolf bite, if you will. So now we have finished the makeup portion, and I think we are completed with this look. I didn't add any mascara because, I mean, wolves don't do that, so I just decided not to. You can if you want to. I'll link every product I use down below. I also have a giveaway going on, so be sure to enter that. I'll link it up here so you can see what it is, and the details will be in the description on how to enter so you can win some free makeup. There is going to be 2 winners. I will see you guys in a couple days, which will be my last Halloween video. So sad, but I love you guys, and bye-bye. Let's go ahead and roll these bloopers. Did not know it was still recording.